Now we've come to the final part. There are two more things to do. First, we need to switch everything to live, and then we need to do a final test. So here, this is where you decide when should this Google Drive module check for new files, for new videos to be scheduled. So usually, if you, for example, I give you a few use cases. If you for example, you create all your posts on Saturday, like you create all your posts on Saturday and you want the videos to be scheduled for the next week, like for Monday and so on. Then you click on Sunday. Then I would click on custom schedule. Here you put in a time. Example, I don't know, 1 a.m. It doesn't really matter because the posts are published or scheduled at the time they are scheduled dates, right? So then I click on activate scenario. And now what will happen, okay, let's click save here. Now what will happen, it will run every Sunday basically, it will check if you have added new videos. And if you did, it will schedule them, it will process them like this. And then the scheduled dates will be added according to your schedule. So you also basically, you decide now, okay, how many posts do I want to be scheduled and at which times? So for example, let's say I want from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's 3 posts a day. And let's also delete this here. Now we don't even need this also. Let's move that. Okay, so this is how you would set it up. But we will do this at the end because for testing, or I can leave it like it is. So because I will just, what I would do, for example, right now I need to add the videos. So we'll just, let's say I upload like 5 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I upload them all into my folder. So that's the only task you need to do. Once this is set up, like you only need to make the videos and put them in this Google Drive folder. And then everything will be handled for you. So the posts will be, the captions will be generated, the posts will be scheduled at your time. So you also need to basically set this once and then it will run automatically. And the only thing you need to do is this. And then basically at the schedule you selected, in this case on Sunday, it will run. Or you could say, okay, if you want to, it should run like every day, right? Then it checks every day if you have added new videos and they will be scheduled. So this could also work. Or it could be days of the month, like you only upload your videos at the first of each month and then they all will be scheduled for the rest of the month, whatever you want, right? So, and now the videos were uploaded. Let's reload it again. And you see now there are 5 videos in there. And now I click on run once because I want to do the test, but normally this would run automatically. So I click on run once. Now I will go to this sheet and you see it will appear one after the other. Now you see all the videos have been scheduled also already. The schedule date has been written in. Now I can go to my SAPs and there I can check the history, right? And then I can see, okay, 5 times success. This is good. This works. So now I go to buffer and I see I have 5 videos scheduled. Now what I see is the times are also exact, but there's a small mistake. I see that like there are 5 posts published on the same day. Now, but I said it should only be 3 per day. So I will try to fix this. So basically this technically works now. Just the scheduling dates, I will try to fix this so it works properly so that by the time you watch this video, it's likely already fixed. But I would still advise you to do the check, to check the dates, to check the times. And we see the posts, like the technical setup works. This is only a small issue. So now you have a working system and you can always like modify your schedule. This can run in the background. So once you've set this to run at the times, you just go to back, save changes, and it switch to on, and then it will run in the background. And then this Google Sheet can also basically run in the background. And all you have to do is, like, you also don't need these. So this can run in the background. Even Buffer can run in the background. And so you can close all of that. And the only thing you would really need is like put in your videos here, and then everything will be handled for you. They will be published and scheduled.